Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back to another little drawing where we draw little creatures on a little sheet of paper. Here we
Yep.
go.
Ooh.
Okay, so I've got Adam with me today.
Hi guys.
He's taking a break, and today we are drawing a little worm, earthworm. So,
Yep.
for starters, we can put down two ovals for eyes.
Two.
Okay, and maybe some eyebrows just floating over there. Okay, and now we're gonna draw his head curling back there. Top of his head. You've got that?
Yep.
Okay, so we can add pupils.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna add a massive smile.
I'm gonna make mine a bit sad.
Okay, so you're sad or angry?
Could be both.
So
Could be both.
your worm is angry. Okay, so from there we do another bit of his body, just extend it down to a little bit.
Okay. Right.
From there we add a widened bit and just come back down to the original shape. Okay,
And
now we can just add the rest of this and we mimic the shape on the other side, and now we have a long earthworm.
okay.
Okay, so now we need to draw the segments. So the segments are these lines on the earthworm's body.
Okay.
So do you know that this segment here, the big one, is called the clitellum, and it has most of its function is to do with reproduction and regeneration of the worm's body. So these segments grows from there.
Oh, that's interesting actually.
Yep. So we're drawing the segments, And did you know that they don't actually have eyes? I know we gave them eyes, but they don't have eyes.
That is true.
Earthworms do not have eyes. And I'm gonna add more segments to the top of his head.
Okay, I'll also do that. Oh yeah, and another fun fact is, did you know there are approximately more than 2,700 species of earthworms?
That's a lot of worms. How would you know which is which? But anyway,
I don't know.
I will just see a worm and think it's the same thing. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's my happy worm, and Adam's got his little sad worm. Time for color. Here we go. And there we have it, everybody. That's our little worms. I've got my happy red worm, and Adam's got his angry purple worm. Yep, that's that. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like,
Do subscribe.
click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos, and always remember to be good
And have fun.
and have fun.